Example, again, we are solving by elimination. So if you haven't already, pause the video and I would like you to try to work through it. Now our first step is to decide which variable to eliminate. And again, it doesn't matter, but usually we want to try to pick the easiest one. So if I'm looking at this, I would choose to eliminate y because I can already add the first and third equation together without doing anything. And then it would be really easy to take the second equation times either 5 or -5 and then combine it with that first or third equation. Okay. Now, x would also be pretty easy if we wanted to pick that one because looking at this middle equation, we can multiply it by a number to get 6. So if I take the second equation and multiply it by -3, then I could add the first equation to it. And then I could take this second equation again and multiply by 2, and then I would be able to cancel out with that third equation. So x would also be a fairly easy one to eliminate. But again, I'm going to choose the y. Okay, so I'm going to eliminate y. We have to have our two addition problems. So for my first one, I'm going to take equation 1 plus equation 3. So I don't have to do anything to change them, so I'm going to rewrite them. 2z equals -11, and then 4x minus 5y plus 5z equals -4. So adding the x's, that's going to give me -2x. My y's cancel, plus 7z equals -15. And again, if you need to, you can put a little star by it. And now we have to add a different pair of equations together, still eliminating the y. So this time I'm going to choose to take 5 times equation 2. So I'm taking 5 times equation 2, and then I'm going to add it to equation 3. Okay. So this will give me -10x plus 5y plus 20z equals -45. And then equation 3 is just staying the same. So 4x minus 5y plus 5z equals -4. Okay, adding those together, that's going to give me -6x. My y's cancel, plus 25z equals -49. And again, I'm putting my little star by that one. So we're going to combine those two things together, those two new equations together. So in my new system, we now need to solve -2x plus 7z equals -15, and -6x plus 25z equals -49. So this is my new system. And again, if we want, we can switch to substitution if we think that would be easier, or we would continue with elimination. So looking at this, it would be easier to eliminate x because I can take this top equation times -3. So that will give me a positive 6x minus 21z, and then equals a positive 45. So now we are adding those together. So my x's are going to cancel. This will be positive 4z equals -4. And now I'm dividing both sides by 4, so my z is -1. Okay, so again, that is my first variable. So to find the second, we're going back to my two-system equation, and we're just plugging this into one of the equations. So I'm just going to choose to use this top one. So I will have -2x plus 7 times -1 equals -15. So -2x minus 7 equals -15. And that means I need to add my 7 over. So -2x equals -8. And then we are dividing both sides by -2, which means x has to be a positive 4. And then once we have two of our variables, that's when we are going back to one of our 3 original equations and substituting the numbers that we know back in. And again, it doesn't matter which one you pick. I'm going to pick the middle one, so that second equation. So this will be -2 times 4 plus y plus 4 times -1 equals -9. So now I'm just simplifying. So negative 8 plus y minus 4 equals negative 9. If I combine the negative 8 and negative 4, that'll be a negative 12. So y minus 12 equals negative 9. And then I need to add the 12 over. So y equals 3. So that is my third one. Okay. Then I need to write that as that ordered triple. So always alphabetical, x, y, z. So 4, 3, negative 1 is that ordered triple.